everyone and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to attempt to do a style video, like summer style, but it's really hard to do on your iPhone to get the whole picture. So I'm going to show you the pieces and kind of do a cutaway of how I'm wearing and how I'm styling it. But first things first, I need your help, okay? I'm having a situation with my milks and my coffee. Can anybody recommend an oat milk that is not Oatly, because it tastes like cardboard, that is not too thin, not too thick? Because I'm having a mare with my milks here, because my coffee is not tasting right. I have this much coffee, and I bought this Nordic oat milk, which is amazing in cereal, but in my coffee, it's just like, it's so bitter, and I'm just not enjoying my coffee. And before that, I was using Khalifa, barista blend, but I find that's a little bit too thick. So, could you recommend me, if you're in the UK, because we don't have creamers here, unfortunately, otherwise I'd love to use a creamer, something that's, tastes nice in your coffee that you can use in the blitzer, because I'm having a fit, you know what I mean? I haven't had a decent coffee in a week. It's driving me berserk. So, yeah, or I'm just going to have to go with the Khalifa and just deal with it. But anyway, let me know, because I'm a firm believer in recommendations by people. So, now, as you know, summer is not my favourite time of year. Today, it's gloomy, it's rainy, and I feel like, thank you. This morning's walk, I had a lovely walk in the woods. Oh my goodness, and I just think, I know a lot of you enjoy summer. I'm an autumn girl. I long for autumn, always. For me, it's a magical season. I can't deal with this heat, So I'm loving the gloom today. It's just, I don't know, for some reason, I find gloomy weather very calming, very relaxing. I enjoy the rain. I love the smells of the rain after it's fallen. I just like the coolness in the air. Oh, it's just lovely. So anyway, stuff that I've picked for summer, okay? Now, I told you I find dressing for summer very difficult because I'm a jumper girl. I love a jumper, I love a cardigan, I love my knitwear, I love my leggings. But I went through this awful phase of literally just wearing a white t-shirt and black leggings during the summer, and I felt sick to death of myself. No more. So I'm now trying to find things that, are easy to wear, like dresses, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, first off, I do like a blouse. And I'm not one to wear vests. It's not that I don't like my arms or I just don't typically wear a vest. I always wear a t-shirt or, something with long sleeves. So this top I wore in a video ages ago. It's Miss Selfridge. I got it on ASOS. It's a gorgeous pink, what do they call this? Something on glaze. Anyway, it's pink. It's got lovely shoulders here, nice long sleeves, but you've got the cutout, so you're going to get the air through there. Inside it's got lining, so it's not going to be see-through. It's such a pretty blouse, something that I just love, that I can just pop on. And what I've styled it with today are a pair of shorts. So it's going to look like this. I don't know if this is greatly visible, but this is what it looks like with the shorts. It just feels a little bit more than just, what am I trying to say? A vest and shorts, basically. And you can wear this with jeans as well. But I just thought, these are my Levi's 501, and they come down at the back quite nicely. Like this, look, they're not too, they come down quite far, which is what I like. They're a bit short here, but what are you going to do? So that's how I wear that. Switching up outfits here. So I've just shown you this, so I'm in it now. And the next up is, I've put it over there. Next up is a dress that everybody thought was a blouse, and it's this one here. It's a, can you see? This is just so difficult to do, guys. I'm going to wear it now so you can see. Again, it's a really lightweight tea dress, sundress, you want to call it. But again, It's so easy to wear because I can just throw this on and not feel like I'm in leggings. Like I went strawberry picking the other day and I wore this and I felt brilliant because I thought, oh my God, what am I gonna wear? And then I just put this on and I felt comfortable, light and breezy, and it was just perfect. So I'm gonna show you what
this is the dress on. As you can see, it's got sleeves, but it's kind of not too long. It's got like a pleated skirt. It's just that shirt dress feel, but it's a little bit more put together. It did come with a belt that you can just wrap around, so you've got that kind of look. But I like it loose like this, especially in the summer. I wear it with a pair of Birkenstocks, lots of jewellery. It's so light and airy. It's just lighter. It's cooler than wearing shorts and t-shirt because you just feel quite airy. So this is the dress. It's from my best friend's wardrobe. And it's just a lovely little dress, and I do like having, you know, a shirt collar detail. I like to wear it quite low open because it just gives it that more relaxed look, and then lots of jewellery. So that's that.
Last but not least is this here. It's a t-shirt dress from Gap. And I got it last year, and it's just a great everyday when you're at home and it's hot and you just want to put something on. This is great. So I'm going to show you what this looks like.
It looks like it's hot pink. It just goes just above the knee. I love to wear it with trainers, my Birkenstocks, and honestly, this is like the best thing I bought last year because it's just so easy, airy and easy. You don't have to think about it, and you just put it on, like especially when you're in the house. It's just so nice because you don't feel, don't know about you, but I get so hot and bothered and just claustrophobic with shorts. This just hangs over your body and you can just feel nice and airy fairy. And if you put it on with a pair of trainers, it looks a little bit less like a nightie.
So there you have it. Those are my summer rotation basically. I don't buy a lot of summer clothes because it's summer for 2 months of the year here. It's not my favourite, but I need things that make me feel like decent. So yes, oh, the shorts, I'll show you close up. They are the Levi's 501. So they button up like this. I like a distressed denim, and the back looks like this. So I've got this in a waist 28, which, I mean, these days I'm literally sizing up because I can't stand it when things are just too tight and too small. I'm having an absolute, like, oh, you know, so even my Hush shorts that I got them in size 10, but they're just too tight. But anyway, these are just gonna have to do. The best shorts I ever had were from American Eagle when there was an American Eagle here. But yeah. And I think what looks nice with something like this is if you have something a bit fitted. If I wear this with a t-shirt, it looks awful. I need to sneeze. But like a racer back vest or something and a linen shirt, great. For me, I can only really wear t-shirts with my sports leggings. I wear that a lot. Most days it's like sports leggings and a t-shirt. So, oh, I said I wouldn't wear leggings, but they're not really leggings because they're Sweaty Betty and they've kind of got you know, a sort of leopardy black print. So it's not really leggings. A little bit smarter than leggings. So yes, there we are. I don't know if that's really helpful. Like, I'm not a fashion stylist, like far from it. So I can only just show you basically what I gravitate towards most days. So that's about it, yeah. I hope you're well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.